So in part A, there's a couple of approaches you could take here, okay, when you're changing from kilometres to miles. First of all, though, you need to remember this, okay, so you need to write this down. 5 miles is 8 kilometres. And first thing you could ask yourself is, could I scale it, first of all? Because I know 8 kilometres is 5 miles. Could I scale 8 kilometres up to 48? And in this case, you can do that quite simply, because if you think about it, 8 goes into 48 6 times. So I can scale it by making it 6 times bigger, but of course then I need to make the miles bigger by timesing by 6 as well. So I get 30 miles. So that's what 48 kilometres will be, 30 miles. The other way of thinking about it is because we've got 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometres, we can see how many 8 kilometres are in 48. Okay, so I divide 48 by 8 to see how many 8s are in here, and I get 6. So what that is saying then is I've got 6 lots of 8 kilometres in here. So then, because I've got 6 lots of them, each lot is worth 5 miles, so 6 times 5 is 30. Two approaches, both the same essentially. Part B then, it says an athlete can run 200 metres in 20 seconds. If the athlete could maintain this speed for 30 minutes, how much distance would they cover? And it says then again, give your answer in miles. So what I tend to do here is take my time, so 200 meters in 20 seconds. Let's scale it. Let's scale this one. So 200 meters in 20 seconds, well, that means it will do 600 meters in 1 minute, if you think about it, because 20 seconds is a third of a minute, isn't it? So if I times it by 3, there's 3 lots of 20 seconds in a minute. So times it by 3, of course then you times the distance by 3. So that's a minute. We want 30 minutes, don't we? 30 minutes. So I'm now going to times that by 30. So I get 30 minutes. And I've got to times this by 30 then. So if I times this by 30, I get 18,000 meters in 30 minutes. Okay. So if you could maintain this speed, that's how far it would go in 30 minutes. So to convert it to miles, what you need to do first of all is change it to kilometers. So that would be 18 kilometers, yeah, in 30 minutes. And then we've got this conversion up here, then, haven't we, where we use 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometers. So to change it to miles, I just need to see how many 8 kilometers are in here. So I'll do 18 divided by 8. So we can use a calculator on this question, and I get out 2.25. So there are 2.25 lots of 8 in 18, and then I times then that by 5 to work out what that is in terms of miles. And I get 11.25 miles. So that's how far the athlete would run in 30 minutes if they were able to maintain that rate.